Why do some people rise to success while others stay stuck all their life? Is it luck? No. The secret is simple. It's how they think. Today's story will show you how one man changed his life just by thinking bigger. Stay till the end, because this lesson might just change your life too. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a man named Daniel. Daniel worked at a tiny bicycle repair shop. Every day, he fixed tires, oiled chains, and replaced broken parts. He earned just enough to survive. "This is my life," he often thought. "I can't do more." One evening, a man walked in with a shiny electric bike. Daniel stared. He had never seen anything like it. The man smiled and said, "These bikes are the future. One day, everyone will ride them." That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. "The future," he thought. "I can barely pay my rent. How can I think about the future?" But those words echoed in his mind. These bikes are the future. For the first time, Daniel asked himself, what if I could sell bikes, not just repair them? What if I could do something bigger? It sounded impossible. He was just a poor repairman. But a quiet voice inside whispered, "Think bigger." The next day, Daniel began talking to his customers. "What kind of bikes do you dream of?" he asked. "What problems do you face when riding?" He wrote down every answer in a small notebook. Slowly, Daniel's thinking began to change. He stopped seeing himself as a repairman and started seeing himself as a businessman. Then, one day, he made a bold decision. He bought 2 electric bikes on credit. It was a huge risk. He placed them outside his shop with a sign, "The future of biking starts here." At first, people laughed. "Who will buy such expensive bikes?" they said. But 1 week later, Daniel sold his first one. The profit was more than his usual month's income. That's when Daniel learned a powerful truth. When you think small, your life stays small. But when you think big, new doors open. Month after month, Daniel grew. He sold more bikes, fixed old ones, and even started a small delivery service using electric bikes. The poor repairman became the proud owner of the town's first modern bike company. One day, the same man who once inspired him returned. Daniel smiled and said, "Remember when you told me these bikes are the future? Today, I'm living that future." And that, my friends, is the power of thinking big. Your thoughts shape your life. If you believe you're small, you'll stay small. But if you believe you can grow, you will. So ask yourself, are you thinking small or are you thinking big? Because when your thoughts grow bigger, your life grows bigger too. If this story inspired you, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Tales by Novira for more simple and powerful stories.